I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this 4-panel room divider. This is a pegboard design, so the top of it actually has pegboards that you could use either for a room separator, or you could put it up like if you have a little boutique and you want to display some clothes, or an art gallery, you want to put up some artwork, all sorts of different things, put jewelry on it. And the best thing about it is it's completely assembled. All you've got to do is take it out of the bag, which it's got this nice bubble wrap all around it. It's got 2 pieces of plywood on the outside, so it keeps it all together. And once you take this out, it is ready to be used. So I will get this out and we will get it set up. So this comes in a variety of different colors, but they are all 16 inches across for all 4 panels. And once you have it out, it is 64 inches across. It's kind of got this farmhouse decor style on it with this bottom part. And then you've got your pegboard here. It does have these nice hinges that you can easily put up however you want to have this. And then you have all 4 panel displays. So whether you want to have this behind here for a changing area, maybe block off something you don't want people to see. But this is a really nice, sturdy design. I mean, I'm pulling on it and it's not falling over, so that's a big plus. I love the pretty X design here. And it is just an all wood surface. And then it comes with 16 different hooks that you can put in here to put up your different decor. So once you get your hooks on there, you can come through and you can hang up, like I said, different artwork. You can display it in different ways because the hooks do have kind of a little angled area. Put clothing up. Like I said, I love how it's so versatile and it adds so much class into your room that I think this looks really nice. It's nice and sturdy. It stands about 67 inches tall. Whenever you're finished with your storage rack, all you've got to do is just take the stuff off. There is no need to do anything else besides clear it off. And then you can store it, move it around however you want. It just folds real easy. And it's pretty lightweight that you can just move that around too. One really neat feature about these is how it is double hinged. You can move them either way. It doesn't have to close a certain way. I absolutely love that. And I just wanted to point that out as an extra feature to this awesome 4-panel room cover.